Yo, we run boya. None can stand till we reach you, man. Things with cash, we light up the place.
When we come through, if we make room. When we say move, things we move. Things them I try do, we done do. When we make tune, the tune boom. Road cut up when the chopper them chop. Doors up when the knock of them now.
I'm going. So this morning I'm gonna give you guys a cold start with the silencer in on the exhaust. Alright, so pre that. Oh, I'm here rolling away. So pre that. Silencer's in there. No sounds good. Look at the exhaust look fucked up, bro. That shucks. Alright, let me move that real quick. So I'm gonna remote start this real quick so you guys can see, at least with the thing right here. Yeah, see this, bro? Remote starting. Car about to rev up, give the cool start. Let that go. See, that's a cold start with the silencer, not bad. Car has been sitting the whole weekend, hasn't moved, so that's an official cold start. Check it out. Alright, so we're not gonna go rev it up. I'm about to link up with Chris from Allo Auto Works. We're about to go do some other work. Another video is in the process. Let me show y'all guys why another video is in the process. Don't know if you can look, but see, one of my bolt stones has been, I guess they would say missing, but broke off. I guess when I had changed my sensor, they over tightened it. Now the bolt, still all gone. So checking with you guys back in a few. I'm gonna link up with Chris and we're gonna do a video. Yeah. Hold on. Yo, rev it, brother, rev it.
I thought that was coming.
I'm going to show you how to remove the silencer. See? With the Allen's right here. Let's go, Chris.
See, good friend, watch out. I'm weak today, nobody laugh at me. How much am I supposed to?
All the way up.
Oh, okay. So, Baddest, you know you're stronger than me. You don't have to tell all the people, you know? The Baddest would do this on the car running, you know? He wouldn't wait until...
I'm showing you how simple and easy it is.
As long as, you know, Chris isn't tired. Why would I do that and you're standing back here, Baddest?
I'm going to stay there. I'm going to show the people so you just punch it out. I'll give us a quick rev. We don't want to, wake up the neighbors, but...
This ain't even hot.
No, brother.
What the fuck? Yes, man.
It's aluminum.
Yeah, but I still think it's...
Alright, so that's out. Waiting for Chris to run, come back and give me a couple rev. Make that hear it like that. I am still videoing, you know. Oh, okay. This guy.
You on the red, don't it?
Yeah. But I'm actually videoing when you walked away and everything. Then now, that whistling, and the reason why I'm hearing the whistling, the little hole right here. So I can actually put nut back in, and then there the whistling.
Why? It was so nice.
I wasn't worried about if it was nice or not. I'm just saying for those that are listening to say, what's that whistle? So the little hole right there is why you're hearing the whistling. But if you don't like the whistling, you can put the little screw up nut back in, and that's it. But I'm gonna roll just like that. That's the video for now. The revs of silencer in and silencer out. Later, people. That's a reel.
That is fabulous.
Color matching everything.